before now. That's an old Grim song. Right before now.
That looks like a snake hole. I'm
not kidding.
Wait.
That looks like a big snake hole.
We're right on recording it.
Maybe the prize is a great snake.
Here.
A tame snake.
Aaron, I think it's up here.
Alright, I'm kind of getting
Megan.
freaked out.
Look. Wait, down.
There might be a snake coming out. Look, there's a red bottle.
I'll get it.
That's the cache,
Wait a minute.
Yeah, wait.
Wait. Oh, wow, that's a big one.
That's a cool one.
Wait. You have your silly band?
How far down did you have to reach for that?
It's just right there.
Oh, because look, that does look
Yeah, that
like a
was.
snake hole.
Yeah, I know.
Holy crap. Probably standing on snake.
It's just
They're all
paper
gonna
you
come out
can
of it
sign.
at once.
Grandma, do you have a pen we can sign the paper with?
No.
I do.
That's
one.
Wait, can you just
Here, stand back.
take some out, somebody? Please? You know?
It's like a treasure map.
What are these? Tickets? Tickets to Usher! Oh, happy birthday, Aaron! Justin Bieber!
Oh, that was actually a nice person to put that.
That's surprising.
Wait, are you sure those aren't fake tickets? December 23rd?
That's the last concert before Christmas. That's the last concert of the tour, right? What city is it in?
Whoa, that's... Are you crying? She's crying. She's crying. She's crying, and her heartbeat's racing.